This is
podium.
gonna be the closest Hyrox race we've ever
We've
seen.
already seen Lauren do this before with Viola, like, a few years
This is
ago.
actually very true.
Alright. Um, I think that people have disrespectfully counted out Linda Meyer. If she
Linda
could
Blair.
shock the world once, she could do it again. Dawson, you're now an Aussie fan.
Yeah, and I mean, I can't believe you chose your one that you left on the board accidentally and left me with this pick because it was the one I would have chosen. I believe in Jess Petro over Linda Meyer.
That's right.
Not only are they gonna, beat the Americans in the doubles, they're also gonna both podium in the singles. It is gonna be an Aussie takeover.
Aussies. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, oi, oi.